Hey everybody, welcome back to the last part of our 2021 Valentine's Day virtual cooking class. We are going to finish up the chocolate chili mousse that we started during the last part of our video. So Chef, if you want to go ahead and take it away, let's show them how we wrap up this nice dinner.
Okay, let's go to finish our last course for Valentine, our gorgeous chocolate mousse. Okay, we start. This is the chocolate we previously prepared, we melt, and that's the whipped cream that Matt was helping me. Okay, let's go to blend together or fold it together.
So what we're looking to do with this, anytime you add something that's cold or cool to something that's hot, you want to temper it. So you want to do a very little bit at a time to change the temperature.
Yeah, don't
All right,
overwhip,
we don't want to overwhip it, we don't want to change the texture. So Chef took a little bit of our whipped cream here, added it to the chocolate, and what that is doing is it's lowering the temperature of the chocolate. All right, so we're kind of trying to meet in the middle. Once everything's well incorporated, he's going to take that and he's going to put that back into the bowl of whipped cream. All right, and that will allow it to come down in temperature and cool.
Now I think it's nice. I can fold it now together. Now this is the time. Go to us. See, we still folding everything together until it becomes this homogeneous color.
By tempering it, it keeps it from deflating more than you're really looking for.
Yep.
I mean, everyone likes ice cream, no one likes melted ice cream, and this is very similar.
Yeah. Has to be nice and smooth too. No lumpy, you know. Same color every part of the mousse. How much? Tell me.
I'll taste. Let's give it a try. And chocolate and chili are two just very naturally pairing items, so it's perfect. Rich, sweet, and a little bit of the bitterness of the darker chocolate. But then on the back of the palate, you get that little bit of pepper, and that's what you're really looking for.
Okay. Now?
And I think it is important, Chef, because it's Valentine's Day, to mention that chili and chocolate paired together are a natural aphrodisiac. You know, we wanted to do oysters, we wanted to do that kind of stuff, but doing oysters on a cooking class is not very fun. This is definitely a lot more fun. As you can see, we have provided more than enough ingredients for you to eat chocolate and chili mousse for the rest of the evening. So,
yep, this Valentine is going to be spicy.
Should be a good, it is going to be spicy.
Yep. See? Put a couple tablespoons. Nice.
A couple tablespoons.
Generous.
Generous, heaping tablespoons.
Yep. Nice. Let's go to garnish with some blood orange zest.
So obviously we provided these items for you, but if you are interested, you can actually buy blood oranges. They're very seasonal. But you can buy blood oranges at the Whole Foods across the street. You can buy them at Wegmans, Harris Teeter's, any of your higher end grocery stores. They're almost a mix between flavor-wise between a grapefruit and an orange. They're definitely a lot more tart, almost like a bitter orange. But the color is obviously where they get their name. It is a deep red color. And they're really great to work with because unlike regular oranges, which tend to be almost overly sweet, blood oranges have a lot more versatility.
Okay, so finally it's going to garnish with some blood orange segments. And on top, a little more spice.
There's a little chili on top, just so you know what you're eating.
That's your chili blood orange chocolate mousse for Valentine's dinner.
Guys, on behalf of Chef Alex and myself, I'm just the headless person talking over here on the right. On behalf of both of us, happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your Valentine's evening. We hope you enjoy dinner, and we look forward to seeing you again at the club soon. Thank you.
See you. Bye.